Hello, friends. I'm Lisa. Welcome to Miniature House.
Great! Wow! This rainbow staircase is gorgeous.
Friday is here. Do you miss me? Today, I will make mega luxury purple dream house with 6 rooms. Hope it impresses you. If you love it, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is a gift from a fan to me. Let's unbox it. Mini bathroom model. Whoa! I really like it. Thank you very much, Alice. Cabinets, basins, toothpaste, cups and brushes, towel.
Wow!
Wash basin with mirror, bathtub, shelves for clothes, shower gel, bath brushes. This toilet is so cute. I want to choose some items to put in my home. Let's customize this bathtub. Add decorative borders. Attach metal feet. Done. Add a shower faucet to match it. Bend the copper thread and wrap it with tinsel. More details. Valve. This toilet also needs to be redone. I want it to look luxurious. I'm going to edge it with various gold glitter. Perfect.
Wow, that's wonderful!
The royal bathroom is completed. Do you like it? The lobby block will be placed in the middle of the house. Before decorating it, do the kitchen first. I'm making a refrigerator with many doors out of Foamex, foam and modeling clay. Use a ruler or mica sheet to create grooves for the refrigerator door. Handle made from cotton swabs. So modern. Please fill the compartments. I need a kitchen table. Wrap colored paper around cardboard. Make cabinet doors out of thin foam. The same way to make a kitchen surface. Add mirror glass. Guess what I'm doing? A cute gas stove from modeling clay. Decorate the kitchen with a vase of roses. This is a simple way to make flowers. Please try it. Arrange flowers in small glass vases. Do you like to eat vegetables? Let's make a basket. carrots, cabbage, and mushrooms.
Wow, that's amazing!
The kitchen is completed. What will the second floor have? Let's make a bedroom with a gorgeous bed. We have the bed body. Next, design an eye-catching headboard. Be careful with your hands. Stuff it for luxury. Attach more beads. Border. Voila! I will make a comfortable cushion with countless layers of quilting and striking fabrics and lace. Yellow pillows will be the highlight of the bed. Foot mats made from modeling clay. Slipper.
Ooh!
The bedroom is completed. I will make a rainbow swimming pool. Heating the clay until it hardens. Build them around the Mika pool. The mirror has many layers of elaborate frames. Let's start decorating the entrance hall. The entrance is covered with a red carpet. Large door frame. Ta-da! This door took me quite a while to make, but it's beautiful, isn't it? Dome. Red carpet guardrail. The living room is the last room. The royal sofa has a crown-shaped backrest. Assemble the parts together. Decorate with additional beads. Studded with sparkling stones.
Wow!
So luxurious. Make a tea table. Christmas is coming. Make a cake to celebrate it. So yummy! Magnificent rainbow staircase. Garage. Build a swimming pool.
Wow!
luxury purple dream house is complete. Which room do you like or which item are you most impressed with? Please leave your answer below in the comments section. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any ideas for your next home, let me know in the comments. Don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel. Miniature House love you. Lisa love you.
Welcome to my house. I will take you to visit it. Let's go. The royal sofa is eye-catching. I'm like a celebrity walking on the red carpet. I could spend a whole day in this luxury bathroom.